Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Open the running tracker and grant location and motion access so the app can record your route and cadence. Next, set a clear goal, distance, time, or calories, because a target guides pacing. Once done, choose your preferred units and decide whether to carry your phone or use a paired watch. Make sure GPS is active and battery saver is off for reliable position and heart rate data. Now tap Start when you're ready to move. While you run, focus on how the app informs your effort. Monitor pace, splits, and heart rate on the main HUD so you maintain consistent intensity. Use audio cues set for each kilometer or mile to avoid looking at the screen. They prompt you to speed up or slow down. Once done with an interval, hit lap or rely on auto lap for structured workouts, and if you need a break, pause and then resume. Your data will remain continuous and accurate once you restart. At the end, stop and save the session so the app commits your route and metrics, distance, time, cadence, and calories into your history. This matters for tracking progress. Then review the pace graph and splits to understand where you gained or lost time and tag the run type for future planning. If data looks wrong, try a quick troubleshooting step. Toggle GPS or high accuracy mode, restart the app, then resync your device. That usually fixes dropped routes or incorrect distances.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.